All right, now anytime that I need to do a circle cut, I use the Carter Circle Jig, which is good for basically about an inch or two, all the way out to 4 feet. I've got a large piece here. I want to do a 4-foot circle. I've set it to 24 inches to the center. I'm going to feed it in and see what happens. Safety first. Once you push this in to where it stops, or those 2 magnets click, just like that, one perfect 4-foot circle.